In this video, I will show you how to upload products in bulk and private label product creation. Navigate to your catalog and click on Imports. Click on NIS Uploads and then click on New Imports on your top right. This is the page to download a template for your new item sheet, which is also known as NIS file, which will enable you to upload products category-wise. Select the appropriate category of the products which you would like to upload in bulk. This template will have various fields that you must enter in order to upload product details in bulk. Enter the relevant details for your product submission type and make sure that you fill in mandatory fields which are highlighted in green. You can skip the orange fields if you like, as these are optional fields. The NIS file is quite simple to use and it helps you upload large number of products together. In the image URLs, you can put links of images from websites, public access drives such as Dropbox links, or directly from Amazon. When you complete your NIS file, go back to your imports and click on Next. Here you can paste the newly created NIS file, which will then go for review by Noon Associates. If your upload has any errors, there will be a status message for you to fix. Fix these errors and try to re-upload and you'll be good to go.